Hey guys, it's George, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing some products from Project Lip. So the people at Project Lip kindly sent me over some items to try out for you guys and just to like review and give you some first impressions. So if you want to see how I got on with the products, then please keep watching, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get to it. So this is a little package I received. I got the lip plumping kit, which comes with a little face mask, a primer, but it's like a plumping primer, and a lip scrub. And then I also got to choose a lip colour and a lip gloss to go with that. So these are all the items I got given very kindly, and I'm really excited to try them out. First thing I have noticed, sorry if you can hear the rat, I'll put that down while I talk. So the first thing I did notice is the packaging. So when this came, it was all so nicely like presented. Like I really like the orange theme. Like it's just so like bright and it just looks really nice. So that's like the first thing I think to like say about this, is that the packaging's just hit my laptop. The packaging's really nice, and like I really like the brightness of the orange. I think it's really eye-catching and just really exciting. So before we sort of like get into the review, I thought I'd just say like a couple of things about the actual brand. So all of the products from Project Lips are cruelty-free and also vegan, which I think is really important to know. Just if you're looking for something which is cruelty-free and vegan, like it's very obvious that this is cruelty-free and vegan, which I think is nice, because like sometimes you don't necessarily know, like some companies aren't as like black and white whether they are or not. So that's really good to know just like from the start. So that's the first thing. And then other than obviously their main website, there are other places you can shop Lip Project at. So Pretty Little Thing, Look Fantastic, Beauty Bay, and also Urban Outfitters all stock Project Lip. So if say you're ordering like a dress from Pretty Little Thing and then you see Project Lip, you can like combine the two and just like order them together, if that makes sense. Or obviously go onto Project Lip directly, and then you get the really cool like bright orange envelope through the post, which is really fun. So it's nice to know that there are lots of like different stockists of the brand, because it means you can just buy it in like other places instead of straight through the website. Like I said earlier, if you're buying like a dress, you can also buy the lip gloss or something. Do you know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to say anyway. Okay, so now we are gonna get down to the products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like try them out and then tell you what I think about them, and then I will tell you like the price, and also like with the lip stuff I got some shades in like the colour and the gloss, so I'll tell you the shades of that and like everything. So that's kind of how I'm going to do this video. So the products are meant to naturally enhance your lips, so it's not saying it's going to give you like the look of filler in your lips. It's just going to naturally enhance them to make them a bit more plumper, a bit more like juicier. So I'm not expecting to go from like these lips to like, I don't know, like Kylie Jenner vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like I personally don't think I've got particularly small lips, so I think just to naturally enhance them might look quite nice. Whereas I think if I had like fillers in my lips, it might not suit my face necessarily. Like nothing against lip fillers, I just don't think it would look right on my face, if that makes sense. I think I might look a bit out of proportion. So I'm really excited to try these products and to see how they do enhance my lips and like what they look like. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with a little card of like how to use the lip plumping kit, which is this little packet here. So step one is to scrub the pout. So get a super soft pout with our edible sugar based fruity formula. Exfoliate and invigorate the lips with enriched sweet orange oil extract. So I'll do that first, and then next I'll prep the pout. So hydrate with our collagen infused hydrogel lip mask, nourishing and conditioning, giving your lips a smooth plumper pout. And then I'll do that second, obviously I'm following the instructions. And then step three is prime, plump and hydrate all in one, working with the lip's own collagen to enhance and give a plumper, more defined lip. So that all sounds really good. So I'll do those three steps first, and then I'll go in with the lip colour and the lip gloss to like complete the look. So step one is to exfoliate. So like I said earlier, like the packaging is super nice. So if I just get this to focus on the lip scrub. So like I said earlier, the packaging is super nice. Like it's all very brightly coloured and orange, which I really like. So step one is to scrub the lips. I just got my nails done and I don't want to ruin them, so just open this carefully. So it says how to use, scrub in circular motions around your lips, lick me to taste me, rinse with warm water to reveal super soft plump lips. Okay, so the actual packaging is like white with this little Project Lip thing around it. And if we just open it up, this is the lip scrub, so like super orange and bright. I have only used one lip scrub in my life, so I'm excited to like see how this goes and what it does to my lips. So I'm going to be looking in the viewfinder to like do my makeup, or to like do my lips, by the way, because obviously it'll be harder to like look in the mirror and then you guys can't see me. Anyway, so this is my lips before, so I don't really know how to show you, but so these are my lips before, just a little, you know, up close to my lips. Like I said, they're not like really small, they're not really big, they're just kind of like your normal, just your average lips. But I would say my lips are a bit wonky, so one side is bigger than the other, so hopefully this will like even it out. Okay, so let's just dive in here and apply some lip scrub. This really smells like something I can... My lips look funny. This smells like something so clearly in my head, but I can't think of what it is. It's like a... I don't know. Okay, circular motions. Wow, my lips look red. Okay. So... Let's drop the scrub. So, okay, so now that I've like rubbed it in a bit, I'm now gonna go wash it off with lukewarm water as it says, and then we're gonna come back and put on the lip mask. So that is step 2. Okay, so I forgot to say, so the lip scrub is £8.95, and I've just taken it off and my lips feel so smooth, like really just no dry skin, just like a really smooth surface. So I can really imagine that it's a really like good a good scrub to like completely clear your lips of like dead skin and stuff, because you know everyone gets dead skin, especially when the weather's not great, like when it's windy you just get chapped lips. So really recommend that. At £8.95 I don't actually think that's that expensive for a lip scrub, which is good. It's a bit sticky, it's the only thing I'd say. I can't remember if my last one was as sticky. It still did a really good job and I really like how my lips feel now. And then next I am going to be using the lip mask. So the lip mask is £3.95 and it says to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll apply it and then I'll go away for like 15-20 minutes and then I'll come back and like talk to you about it. But yeah, so this is £3.95. I've never actually used a lip mask before, so I'm excited to see how it goes. So this is meant to leave you with a smooth, plump and kissable pout. So let's see how this goes. Also, it is recommended that when you're using all these products that you do start with the mask and the lip scrub, just because it gives like the best outcome of when you're using this. Oh my god, look how cute that is. It's like a giant mouth. This is crazy. Oh my god, how do I take it about? Ooh. Oh my god, guys, this is actually mental. I'm obsessed. Okay, here we go. Okay, and my lips feel hydrated. They feel really like, you know when lips have like lines in them and they're like wrinkly, they don't feel, they feel like all those wrinkles have gone. I know they're not wrinkles, but I can't think of what they're called. Yeah, they feel really like, I don't know if you can like see. Also, sorry about like the up closeness in my spots, but they feel really hydrated and like smooth. Yeah, I really like that lip mask. That was really nice, and like I've never done a lip mask before. It feels like quite funny on your mouth, but I did really like it. So yeah, really happy with that. So it is said by PROJECTLIP that before using any lip products, they recommend to use the scrub and the mask just to like properly prep your lips. So that's why also I use them, and then I can tell you guys about them. But I really have liked the first 2 products I've used, and then next we're going on to the start of the like natural plumping stuff. So next we are going in with a matte plumping primer, and it says warning, this product will tingle. So the only experience I've had with lip primer is like years ago, and I just remember it did really tingle, so I assume it'll be like that. So like again in the really nice like orange packaging, and this is just the matte plumping primer, and this is only £12.95. So let's open this up It comes with some instructions. Is it instructions or is it ingredients? It comes with a list of ingredients as well, just in case like you're interested in it. And it's also made in the UK, which is quite cool. And it says how to use, apply generously on the lid. It says apply generously on the lip and over the lip line. Press your lips together to activate. Reapply to maximise the plump. So yeah, that sounds pretty cool. So this is the little lipstick. So this is the lipstick. As you can see, it says Project Lips on it, and it's got like a little white cap, and you just twist to, you know, push it up a bit. So apply generously, then rub together to activate. Okay. Okay, apply generously, now to activate. Something's happening. Oh, it feels... Oh my god, so you know when you eat like a chili and you get it on your lips and your lips like burn? That's kind of the feeling I'm getting on my lips right now. Are they looking a bit... Are they looking plumper? Oh, I should probably stop doing that if they're like tingling. Yeah, I'm not sure if I have it on my tongue and it tastes like funny. It's like making my tongue like itch. Okay, so something's definitely happening because they're getting like tingly and just a bit like, I don't know, so it's definitely cracking on my lips. But I mean, I think they're definitely getting a bit plumper. Do you guys agree? Okay, well anyway, so that is the matte like prep primer plumper. So that is step 1 of the plumping, and then we've got the colour and the gloss to go still. So I'm a little bit nervous how my lips are going to feel because they're already a little bit like burning, but I guess my lips will look bigger, so we'll see. Anyway, it's not like burning, but just like, you know, when you eat like something really spicy and your lips are just like really tingly. That's the sensation. That is the only thing I can compare it to. Like when you eat like something really spicy and your lips are like tingling, burning. That's how it feels. Next I got one of the Plump and Colour lip products. So this is £14 and I got it in the colour Play. So this I just thought was like quite a nice little pinky nude colour. So if you guys can see, it's quite nice, quite a nice little pinky nude. Again, it has like Project Lip. My camera just never focuses. Okay, so it's like quite a nice like pink nude and it says Project Lips on it. So again, it's the same process. Put it on your lips, press together to activate. Oh, my lips actually look quite big. Do you think? I think. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply this and see how it goes. It's quite a nice colour. It's like really pinky. Okay, and then press together. Cool. I think colour wise this is actually a really nice little colour. It is quite pink, but I have actually been really liking like a pink lip at the moment. So yeah, this is quite a nice little colour. It's definitely, I think, a bit more pink on the camera. Like it's definitely picking up a lot more like pigment. Again, starting to tingle, like burn tingle. So this is my lips currently. I think they've gotten bigger, you know, guys. I think they've definitely been naturally enhanced. I think my lips have definitely gotten bigger. I don't know if you guys agree. Do you guys think they have? I feel they have, because my top lip, the side's normally a lot more narrow. So I'd say something's happening. They're looking bigger, is what I think. Anyway, so the final step is to go in with the gloss. So this is the Universal Plumping Gloss. So you glide the gloss onto your lips, press your lips together to activate the plump, reapply to maximise. So I got this in the colour Obsessed because I just thought this was quite a cute colour. It's like a pinky colour again. I I just thought the packaging looked quite nice. I thought it was quite cute. This is the packaging, and then you take it off like that. So really nice applicator, nice colour. It looks a bit darker than I thought it would, but it's got like little sparkles in it as well. So let's apply this on top. This is looking really pink in the camera view finder, but it's really not that pink. It's like a bit of more of a nude. Okay, so next is the lip gloss. Oh, this one's super tingly. It's like proper in my mouth. Right on my tongue. That probably didn't help. But yeah, so that's the lip gloss. I feel like my lips definitely look like filler. They've not got any of like the wrinkles in it. I do think they've got them bigger. So that gloss was £14, by the way, I forgot to say. So it's the same price as the colour one. But that gloss has definitely, I think, made the most of a tingle to me. But then also it could be because I've layered the 3 products together. But I think this is quite a nice colour combination as well. I think it's really pretty. And it's like a really, really nice little combination. Like, I really like the kit. I like the idea that you have like different stages to like put it all on, because it's quite nice, like being able to do something different, you know. But yeah, this is really starting to tingle. Like, I'm thinking, if you kiss someone, would they feel the tingle? You know, like, would you pass it on, or is it just because it's on your lips? Like, does that make sense? I don't know. That sounds a bit strange. But anyway, yeah, so I actually overall really like all the products. So if I had to choose a favourite, I would probably say it's either the gloss, because I really like the colour, or the lip scrub, because I think a lip scrub was really cool, really handy, and because it felt really nice to my lips, like my lips felt really like smooth after. I think that's quite nice, and I really like the lip gloss because of the colours. But I really liked everything. I would definitely say this does like tingle, burn more than I expected it would too, and I also thought it would kind of like wear off by now, and it hasn't. So I don't really know how long it lasts for, but we will see. But I think overall, like, I think if you are in the mood for a product which is vegan and cruelty free and will give you a fuller pout, then this is definitely a good product to go for. I think like the prices aren't expensive. Like, I'd say they're very good, like very, very well priced for the products you get, and also for the packaging and for the amount of the product. Like, I really like them. So I would really recommend this brand, and I feel like it's definitely made my lips bigger. So if you want like bigger lips, then you could keep applying this, because it says you can apply more than once to improve the maximizedness of your lips. But I think for me, because I've got like a fairly full mouth already, 1 was enough, and I think I'm really happy with how it looks. It's a really nice colour, the gloss is really pretty. So yeah, I'm really happy with all these products. So I will link everything below, but it's all from Project Lips, and they did kind of gift me all of this, but this is my own review, my own thoughts on the products and how I found them. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions about them, then feel free to ask me in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.